If MSN keeps opening on Chrome every time you launch your browser, click the Home button or open a new tab. This video will show you exactly how to stop it. In just a few simple steps, you can remove MSN from Chrome startup settings, check your Home button configuration, and get rid of unwanted extensions that may be forcing it back. This is a really common issue, and the good news is that it is usually easy to fix. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to check is Chrome's startup settings. This is the most common reason MSN opens automatically when you launch the browser. To do that, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then select Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Startup. Here you'll see the options Chrome uses when it starts. If MSN is taking over your startup page, you have two good choices. The easiest option is to select Open the New Tab page. This gives you a clean Chrome start screen instead of MSN. If you prefer to open a specific website when Chrome launches, choose Open a specific page or set of pages. If MSN appears in that list, click the three dots next to the MSN address and select Remove. After that, you can click Add a new page and enter a site you actually want, such as google.com or any other page you prefer. Now let's fix the Home button, because sometimes MSN is not coming from startup at all. Instead, it loads when you click the Home icon next to the address bar. To check that, go back into Chrome settings and click Appearance in the left menu. Find the section called Show Home button. If it is turned on and set to a custom web address with MSN in it, that is why the page keeps appearing. Change it to New Tab page or delete the MSN link completely so Chrome stops sending you there. If MSN still keeps coming back even after changing those settings, then the problem may be an extension or browser hijacker. In that case, click the puzzle piece icon near the address bar and choose Manage Extensions. Take a careful look at everything installed in Chrome. Remove anything you do not remember installing, especially extensions that claim to help with weather, news, search protection, shopping, or themes. These types of add-ons can sometimes change your browser settings without making it obvious. To remove one, click Remove on the extension, then confirm the deletion. After that, it is a good idea to restart Chrome and test it again. Open a new window, launch the browser, and click the Home button if needed to make sure MSN is gone. If it still appears, go back and double-check your startup page, home page, and extensions one more time. A quick tip here, if Chrome continues to act strange, you may also want to review your search engine settings and reset Chrome settings to default if necessary. That can help clear hidden changes made by unwanted software. But in many cases, simply fixing startup, home, and extensions is enough to solve the problem. So to recap, first change Chrome's startup settings, then check the Home button configuration, and finally remove any suspicious extensions that may be forcing MSN to open. Those three steps solve most cases very quickly. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Chrome fixes and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.